我是一只不平凡的喵。
Adventures like these are part of the enrichment activities, so we thought we'd stop by to welcome everyone to the Sea Lion Show. Now our friends are from the southern coast of Africa, not the Antarctic, so they're fine having a little fun outside before heading back to their air-conditioned home. Did you know African penguins once numbered in the millions? But now their population has declined so drastically due to commercial fisheries and oil spills, they are an endangered species. It's hard to save a species from extinction, but there are many small actions each of us can take to protect nature. Our sea lion will be sharing some ideas with you in the Splash Safari presentation coming up next. Please note that just by being here today, you are contributing to our efforts to support conservation projects that protect wildlife. With that, please wave goodbye to our penguins. It's almost time for Splash Safari, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Joining us today. Hi there, boys. Alright, now sea lions are fascinating animals. These guys, they can survive both on land and in water. They can swim up to speeds of 40 kilometers per hour, hold their breath for up to 12 minutes, and believe it or not, sea lions are capable of diving to depths of about 180 meters. And I think that is simply amazing. Excuse me, who's the presenter? What is it?
Yeah, I think you made Pedro very upset.
You seem more upset than Pedro. What's going on up there?
He said you forgot to mention something very important about him.
I didn't say everything. What? Okay, I'm in trouble. We were supposed to start the show by firstly saying that sea lions are very intelligent, and one of them in particular, very good looking too. Oh. They're all shy down. Cheeky boy. We love a photographer right here in Splash, but it's about time we see how powerful those flippers are. And it's more than 200 kilograms and just those two front flippers. We're gonna see that one more time. But did you know there is another animal that looks very much like a sea lion, and it's called a true seal. Seals look very funny on land because they've got much smaller front flippers. This is what they look like on land. Very nice. How do they move on land, Pedro? Look at that tush. High up in the air. That's a very good imitation of a true seal. Okay, back to being a sea lion. They've got very special hind flippers which rotate from side to side, making moving on them easy. Are you ready? We're gonna do the little walk. We're gonna do the shuffle. Left, right, couple of spins. How about my favorite, Pedro? Ready? 1, 2, 3, the roll over. Nice. All right, so we have seen how amazing these flippers are. There's a bee on the house today. Okay, as I was saying, we have seen how amazing his flippers are. But right about now, would you like to see how fast Pedro can swim? I don't think he can hear you. Come on, yes or no? Okay, are you ready? Let's do the fast swim.
He doesn't want to swim.
Huh? He forgot he's a sea lion, is it? That's his thing. He swims. What's going on?
Pedro said he saw something big and scary in the water.
This pool we're talking about? Okay, I'm looking. I don't see anything. I may be wrong. Do you see anything big and scary in the pool? No. Thought so. Still worried? We're gonna check. Okay, you go over there. It's a big pool. I'll check on my side. Come on. There's nothing in the pool, Pedro. It is safe. Are you ready? Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This is how fast. If there was a shark in the pool, he would have had you for breakfast, you know. So come on, sleep. There we go. 40 kilometers per hour. Almost as fast as a moving car. You might want to keep your eyes on Pedro. This next move is one of the best from the show. With his streamlined body, we've got the belly slide. Not too bad, Pedro. Okay, the first row you can have sushi. Alright, now often we have people asking us how sea lions are able to see clearly underwater. This is simply because they've got special membrane covering the eyes. To help me prove this point to you, we're gonna play a game with Pedro. For that to happen, listen carefully. I need the help of a brave, young volunteer. Who's brave and young? You, come down here. Yes, you, come. Everybody, big round of applause for my young gentleman. Hello. Hi, what's your name? Samaran, where are you from? India. Welcome to Singapore. Okay, Samaran, easy game. I've got with me one of Pedro's favorite water toys, okay? You're going to toss this into the pool. That boy is going to find it for us. Firstly, however, no cheating. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Thank you. You ready? Okay, anywhere. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Is it going to sing? Sings pretty well. You're going to stand right over here. Second part, keep your eyes on Pedro. Let's see if you'll find that stick. Are you ready? Come on, Pedro. Smart, what do you think? Hey! Look what is in his mouth. I'm gonna give you a nice treat. Come on in. Come on, Pedro. What are we gonna be? This is how big he is up close. Woo! Okay, Samara did a great job. What do you think? You did awesome. And of course, you're not going to leave us empty-handed. I've got a special gift for you right here. This is a Splash safari bag. You turn it over, you have Pedro right there. And this belongs to you. Everybody, Samara, come in here. Thank you so much. Thank you. See, Mom and Dad, put your hands up. Yeah, you don't want him going back to the wrong parents. There's a whole lot of people today. Alright, now to further elaborate on the amazing eyesight sea lions have got, you might want to check this out. Ready? We're gonna start right now. There you go, forming nice curls in the pool. This is the corkscrew. The whole purpose of this is for you to have a close look at his eyes. You will notice they are wide open underwater. Because of the special membrane, sea lions are not just able to see clearly in the water, but out of the water as well. And this would mean that we are looking at one of the most versatile predators in the world. We've got a few last words. In fact, right now we've come to the highlight of our show. We're going to prove to you his amazing sense of self-control. Now we know sea lions cannot resist fish, right? And I've told you earlier, Pedro weighs more than 200 kilos. Absolutely love his fish. The challenge is we're going to place a piece of fish right in front of him. There it is. Ben says that Pedro is so well trained, he will not touch that piece of fish until he hears a signal from his trainer, which is a clap. Our trainer says the boy will not move, even if all of you try clapping your hands. Go ahead. Guys got rhythm, I like. Okay, what's happening? Nothing is happening. What's going on? Oh, here's a little secret, everybody. Ben is single. No, not that secret, another secret. The secret is just one single clap. Calls for teamwork. Count of 3, 1 clap, we stop. Okay, can we do that? Hands up. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, tough cookie. We're gonna give this one last try. You ready? Hands up. 1. Relax. 1, 2, 3. Wow, give yourselves a big round of applause. My goodness, all of you are so easy to train. Good job. But as you can see, that piece of fish is still right there. He hasn't touched it yet. So right now, it is Ben's turn to clap. Hey, great job with self-control, Pedro. Have a look. The reason why he did not touch that piece of fish, he knows he's gonna get a whole lot more for a job well done. And we've got the jackpot right there. Good one, Pedro. Well done. Alright everybody, we've had our fun, but I've got to be fair to Pedro. Got to be fair to Pedro because the boy would like to take this opportunity to remind all of us to take better care of the environment, especially the ocean. Trash has not only made it ugly, it has made the ocean an extremely dangerous place to live in. Today we will get to know the oceans that is monster just a little bit better. I'm not talking about a shark nor a killer whale. We will address plastic waste. Marine animals could easily swallow plastic bags, choke and die. But we know it. There are plenty of other dangerous plastic monsters lurking in the oceans. We are going to get to know 2 main culprits. The first one, let's talk about fishing lines. These things, they get entwined and entangled around the animal's neck and flippers and could cause great damage, just like a broken flipper. Awfully painful. Also in recent times, more and more pieces of fishing nets are found in oceans throughout the world. Problem with this is marine animals get caught in them. And what happens next, Pedro? They drown and they die. Unfortunate. Okay, cut. Oh, emotional actor, are we? What's going on? Okay, as with all great acting, you know what to do. You're so full of yourself, you know. Okay, the good news is there are ways for us to help with the situation. Okay, we don't need to go big, we start simple. We reduce, reuse, and you need to impress me. Reduce, reuse, and well done. Reduce the amount of trash we make by reusing materials. Pedro has got some really good ideas. First up, yes, that bag he's hanging on to right now is made of canvas, meaning that it is reusable. More importantly, would help to save on paper and plastic. We're going to move on to idea number 2. This may be hard, but let's try to cut down on one-time use plastic products. Popular example, disposable mineral water bottles. Instead, invest in plastic that's hardy and sturdy and could last a longer period of time, just like that bottle he's hanging on to right now. Alright, now lastly, we're going to tap on the most famous R, and you've got to look at this. Pedro is amazing at recycling. You ready? That's our trash. Okay. What? Ben, you may be cute, but that's a nasty habit. Don't follow Ben, okay? We got our trash heading all the way to the nearest recycling center, and we fit it in! Woo! If we can train the same line to do this, we can follow through as well. Together, we can put a stop to the ocean's deadliest monster. That was great, Pedro. Thank you. On that note, we are nearing the end of the show. Before we go, Pedro has got one last move for all of us. Those of you with cameras, you might want to keep them focused on Pedro. You ready? Alright, let's do this thing. Diving in and out of the waters. This is what is known as porpoising. Alright, and of course here is Splash Safari, his signature way of saying goodbye. My name is Yan.